Oh, that's a bit too low. See, that's the perfect height for me right there. Oh my god, they're fighting! Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden back again with another video. So in today's video we'll be lowering my Sportivo. So let's get started. So my Sportivo is actually pretty low already, but the front's got this massive wheel gap compared to the rear. So I'm gonna lower it and tuck the front just a bit. Alright, first step, we gotta jack the car up. Alright, now that the car's off the ground, we gotta take the wheels off. And these are the tools that I'm using. Just got a breaker bar, 21mm, and then I got these coilover C-spanners here. So I'm gonna start taking this wheel off. Alright, now they're all loose. Take it off. Now the other side. It's getting so hot, boys. We need to finish this before 12 o'clock. Because that's when the sun's the most hot. Alright, now we can take these wheels off. And I still got plenty of tread on these Potenzas. Anyways, here's the coilover, boys. Now what we need to do is adjust these. So the more that you adjust the space in this will determine how low or high your car will be. And what we're trying to do is lower it. So the distance that we have between these two nuts right now is about 3 centimeters. I think I might drop it down to about 2. So we'll see how we go. Alright, undo the bottom part. Alright, let's just check how much space we have now. Oh, that's 2.5 centimeters. We'll lower it just a bit more. And if anything, we can always raise it back up. Oh, that's a bit too low. We wanted 2 centimeters here. Alright, so that's about 2 centimeters right there, boys. So we'll just lock it in and we'll test it. Now I've got this side at 2 centimeters now, so I'm gonna chuck the wheels on and test the fitment. And hopefully it's first try. Alright, we got one side on now. Now it's time to put on the other. I don't want to tighten up the wheel nuts all the way just in case we need to adjust it again. But let's lower this thing real quick. Moment of truth, boys. It's not too bad now, boys. This is actually how I wanted it, so I think I got the fitment perfect. So now I just need to tighten up these wheel nuts real quick. The best feelings when you work on your car and you don't have to do things twice. Alright, just need to do this last side and we should be done. Alright, that's it, boys. The front end's a lot lower than what it was before. I didn't want the car too low because I still wanted it to be practical, but it does look a lot better when it's a little bit lower. Last thing we have to do is the driveway test. Start it up real quick. See, that's the perfect height for me right there. Where it's low, but it's not too low. Just packing up the tools right now because I need to go to my mate Richie's house to swim, so I'll see you guys there. Shay, it's Shamal. Look at this guy, boys. The Sri Lankan prince. What up, bro?
You're looking fresh, bro.
Thanks, bro. You too. at this Planet of the Apes. Jump in, Peter!
Peter, jump in! Peter, jump in!
It's like Planet of the Apes in here. I'm jumping in, boys. This is Australia Day. Mate, nothing hits more different than a Boss coffee on a hot day. Do it! Australia Day.
Give it a tornado, give it a whirl, mate, give it a whirl. Get down there, get down there.
Look at the goat.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Fat tuna.
Fat tuna was that was day, eh?
Yeah, Richie caught this the other day, the fisherman, mate. Richie's cooking the shrimps on the barbie for Australia Day. Oh my god, they're fighting!
Oh, shit!
The next day.
Another day, another fishing trip. The secret beach right here. It's Justin. Look at that water. Yo, look at that whiting right there. Seen the water?
Oh,
And there's one like literally right there too.
bruh.
There's some big boys, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that whiting. It's so big.
So big.
Recently we've been going fishing a lot because it's going to be winter soon in Australia, so we got to make the most out of it. It's currently like 8 o'clock in the morning and the water's a little bit cold, not too cold, but the best way to wake yourself up is to go for a swim. So right now we're about to go swimming.
Meanwhile,
What is it? Is it brim? It's a brim. I said already, silver there. Silver brim. It's good. Yeah, it's good quality. Right? Good size, mate.
Ah! Good size brim. Let's keep them nice and fresh. Look at this guy. That's crazy. Good thing Justin brought the footy. So we've been fishing all morning. It's currently like 1:40 right now. We're about to go check into the hotel and get something to eat at the RSL. So I'll see you guys then.
Why? You only say you love me when you're high. It's like we go through the same shit every night. You always swear that shit's gonna change, but it never does.
Yo. Those whitings were so good. But it's time to go. Look, it's Justin. We just made it to the hotel. This is what I'm looking forward to, boys. That pool, though. Yes, sir. Yo. Not too bad for a motel. Hey, we got like hella beds now. Alright, let's jump in the pool real quick. Alright guys, wrapping up this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been supporting me for the past almost a year now. We're so close to hitting 2,000 subscribers, so if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, because I'm still going to do the Variks muffler giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. But that's all I have for today's video, so if you enjoyed, be sure to smash that like button, be sure to subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
I'm sorry that I ain't do what I said I do. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm missing you, girl. I'm sorry I couldn't do what you want me to. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm with a new girl.